After Liquorgate, the lens is now on the AAP health model. The BJP government will be tabling the CAG report on health infrastructure during Arvind Kejriwal's tenure as Chief Minister. This comes days after the CAG report on the alleged liquor scam. India Today's access details of this bombshell report on health and it's established that COVID funds were not fully used, leading to shortage of essential drugs and masks. Only around 1,000 new hospital beds were added, while hospital plots worth over 600 lakh rupees lay unused. As per this report, out of 27 hospitals in the capital, there were no ICUs in 14 hospitals, no blood banks in 16 hospitals, no oxygen supply in 8 hospitals, no ambulances in 12 hospitals, no mortuary in 15.
वो 700 करोड़ तो कोविड में उन्होंने घोटाले किए हैं। कई 100 करोड़ का उन्होंने दवाई में जो घोटाला किया है, ग्लव्स में घोटाला किया है, कॉटन में घोटाला किया है, उस सब की इंक्वायरी होगी, सबका जांच होगा। कैग की रिपोर्ट के बाद किसी को बख्शा नहीं जाएगा, उसके ऊपर उचित कार्रवाई होगी।
किस तरह से अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने हॉस्पिटल सेहत सर्विसेज के नाम के ऊपर दिल्ली को लूटने का काम किया, हॉस्पिटल बनाने के नाम के ऊपर किस तरह से तय बजट से 350 करोड़ रुपया फालतू जो उन्होंने करप्शन के लिए अपनी जेबों में डालने का काम किया, किस तरह से मोहल्ला क्लिनिक जिनको कहते थे अमेरिका कनाडा देखने आता, उसमें बिजली ही नहीं थी, बिना बिजली के मोहल्ला क्लिनिक चले और उनको किराया भी देता रहे और लूटते रहे दोनों हाथों से दिल्ली को जो लूटने का काम किया था। आज दूसरी कैग रिपोर्ट भी बताएगी कि तुम कट्टर बेईमान हो।
देखिए, जिस सीएजी रिपोर्ट को उन्होंने लेकर के ही सत्ता में आए थे, वही सीएजी रिपोर्ट छुपाने में लगे हुए हैं। तो अब बीजेपी की सरकार है, अब कुछ भी छुपेगा नहीं। कोई भी दोषी हो उसकी जांच होगी और दोष सिद्ध हुआ तो कोई बचेगा नहीं।
Let's bring in Shreya Chatterjee for more details. So on this, Shreya, we are expecting that the CAG report on health will be tabled at about 3 p.m. What does the Aam Aadmi Party had to say about the allegations that have come to the fore based on the CAG report of financial irregularities there too?
Well, so far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, Ikshita, they are very categorically suggesting this is nothing but a witch hunt which the BJP is actually carrying out on the CAG report. Is just a procedural thing. They're really not being responsive over the allegations and also the findings of the CAG report. We saw that happening during the liquor policy. They suggested that it was not just talking about the liquor policy that's under investigation, but the others as well. But clearly, they're not giving any clear answers, trying to dodge the questions and obviously putting the blame on the BJP, suggesting that this is a particular kind of a witch hunt. Now, what we do understand on the part is that this CAG report is extremely crucial because it talks about the accountability of Delhi's public healthcare system for over 6 years period. Now, 13 large aspects have been covered in the CAG report, the highlights of which that India Today has access. Underutilization of funds are there, ICU beds not available, even oxygen facilities lacking in some of the hospitals, some of the lands that were given for making the hospitals haven't really been used. So clearly, this is going to make a plenary session. Today, we will be seeing the tabling of the report. Subsequently, on Monday is when we'll likely be seeing a discussion on it. And then it will be sent to the Public Action Committee for a report on it further.
All right, Shreya, thanks very much for joining us with those details.